What if the Japanese fleet was spotted north of Pearl Harbor? It is structured with historical insight, speculative twists, and a dramatic tone fit for an educational video or podcast. ড্যাশ তারা চিহ্ন ইন্ট্রো রাত 12টা রাত 1:45 তারা চিহ্ন ভয়েস টোন কারিয়াস স্লাইটলি ড্রামেটিক ডিসেম্বরের 7 1941 এ ডেথ দ্যাট লিভস ইন ইনফ্যামি বাট হোয়াট ইফ ইট had gone differently? What if, just hours before the first bomb fell, the Japanese fleet, sailing undetected toward Hawaii, was spotted by American reconnaissance planes north of Pearl Harbor? Allowed history have changed, allowed thousands of lives have been saved, or allowed the war have taken an even darker turn. Let us dive into an alternate timeline where this surprise attack was not a surprise at all. ড্যাশ তারা চিহ্ন এক STON ইমিনিউট রাত 1:45 রাত 1:30 সেটিং দিস ইন তারা চিহ্ন ভয়েস টোন হিস্টোরিক্যাল ইনফরমেটিভ ইনলেট 1941 জাপান এস ফ্লিট 6 aircraft carriers, 2 battleships, and a swarm of destroyers steamed toward Hawaii in total radio silence. Their mission, destroy the Pacific Fleet and cripple American resistance in the Pacific. The plan hinged entirely on surprise. No warning, no mercy. But let us imagine, perhaps by a lucky patrol, or a break in the clouds, as reconnaissance plane spots the fleet 300 miles north of Oahu on December 6. That single sighting changes everything. ড্যাশ তারা চিহ্ন 2:03 রাত 1:00 The American response তারা চিহ্ন ভয়েস টোন টেন্স অ্যাকশন ওরিয়েন্টেড Word gets back to Pearl Harbor overnight. Admiral Kimmel and General Short, who in real history were criticized for being unprepared, sound the alarm. Fighter planes are scrambled, anti-aircraft guns are manned, ships begin to move out of harbor to open sea. The island goes on full alert. Radar operators, often ignored, are now taken seriously. By dawn on December 7, the harbor is a hornet's nest, nervous, armed, and watching the skies. When Japanese bombers appear on the horizon, they re-met not by calm waters, but by resistance. ড্যাশ তারা চিহ্ন 4:05 রাত 3টা সকাল 5টা দি ব্যাটেল রেইমাজিং তারা চিহ্ন ভয়েস টোন vivid, cinematic. Japanese planes flee into a trap of their own making. American fighters meet them head-on. Battleships that were sitting ducks in our reality now maneuver at sea, harder to hit. Airfields are damaged, but not destroyed. The carriers, a main target of the Japanese, are still at sea, and now they know where the enemy is. The Japanese Navy, built for fast, decisive victories, is shocked by the level of resistance. Several of their planes are shot down before reaching targets. Some carriers are even spotted by us submarines. The attack still causes damage, but it is nowhere near the devastation of our timeline. ড্যাশ তারা চিহ্ন 6:08 সকাল 5টা সকাল 6টা স্ট্র্যাটেজিক কনজিকুয়েন্স তারা চিহ্ন ভয়েস টোন রিফ্লেক্টিভ অ্যানালিটিক্যাল Without the element of surprise, Japan fails to achieve its goal of crippling the Pacific Fleet. The US Navy remains a threat, morale at home source, not from tragedy, but from resilience. Roosevelt still declares war, but now with stronger forces, faster mobilization, and intact industrial capacity. Japan, facing early pushback, is thrown off balance. Its hoped for 6-month head start evaporates. ড্যাশ তারা চিহ্ন 7:08 সকাল 6টা সকাল 7টা দি বিগার পিকচার তারা চিহ্ন ভয়েস টোন স্পেকুলেটিভ measured. This version of Pearl Harbor may not galvanize the us with the same emotional intensity, but it brings unity and swift action. The war in the Pacific unfolds differently. The Battle of Midway, perhaps it happens sooner, with more US carriers ready and Japan less prepared. The Philippines may have reinforced cloud the war in the Pacific and earlier. Cloud more leaves be served on both sides. তারা চিহ্ন ফাইনাল মিনিট সকাল 7টা সকাল 8টা দিতে করে তারা চিহ্ন ভয়েস টোন thoughtful closing. History is shaped by moments, by what was, and what almost was. A single sighting, a single radio transmission, cloud of rewritten one of world almost defining days. But it did not. Pearl Harbor stands as a solemn reminder of vigilance, sacrifice, and the cost of unpreparedness. And in asking, what if we reminded why history matters, BCA used it